Hi, this is Saintjerome of Crypto Experiences, bringing you yet another crypto experience from the Springfield Coin Show on November 13th, 2022. And I got a little time to kill in between showing people Ballet wallets here. So I'm going to show you an unboxing of a brand new Ballet wallet that came out, gift card. And here we go. This is the gift card you're used to. It holds 10,000 Satoshis. You can load these and you give them to somebody, and on the back it functions just like a Ballet wallet. That is pretty cool. But lo and behold, what is hot off the presses? You're going to be one of the first ones to see this. It is an El Salvador gift card. I'm going to unbox it here. I got a ship of these from Ballet. These are inspired by Bitcoin Ben going over to El Salvador, where Bitcoin is legal tender. Did you guys know, if you look at some of my previous videos, that Bitcoin, if you open a business there, you can even get dual citizenship in El Salvador, which is pretty neat. So here I am unboxing. Undo it. I have a little trouble doing this and the camera at the same time. So unbox. There we go. And I'm going to dip them out, hopefully. Can I get them out? Yes, there they go. And I'll pull one off the stack here. So these hold 10,000 Satoshis, which is not a lot right now. So, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's the flag of El Salvador on one side, but on the other side is the Ballet gift card. Those are so cool. I think they're going to do very well with those. And I just think it's just awesome. If you catch some of my podcasts about the gift cards, I go into detail on El Salvador. My favorite story I heard, well, first of all, you go on the beach in El Salvador, and you can just buy a coconut off the beach with Bitcoin. You can buy everything with Bitcoin there. The people are starting to get paid in Bitcoin now. So let's see how they do on the dip, but I think they'll do okay. All right, signing off.